Good afternoon, course administration, Pamela speaking.
Hello, Pamela. This is Vanessa speaking. Could you look up some information about a student for me?
Yes, of course. What's the name?
Her name is Rashida El Haraoui.
Could you spell her last name, please?
Yes, that's Harraoui.
And could you also give me her student ID number?
Yes, that's 39846.
Yes. I've got her here. What do you need to know?
Could you check which courses she's taken so far? Because I just spoke to her and she wants to change her course, which, as you know, she can only do once.
She's done IT and now she's studying to be a secretarial assistant.
All right, thanks. She now wants to become an administrative assistant. Well, I really need to discuss this with my colleagues. Thanks again. Could I ask you one more thing?
Yeah?
Could you put a note on Peter Brecht's desk and pass on the information about Rashida? Because he needs to take action on this student.
Of course, anytime.
Thanks again. By the way, we should have a cup of coffee together.
Yes, we should. I'll let you know when. Goodbye.
Goodbye.